Hi and welcome back. If you've been following along on our vlog, you know a couple weeks ago we took on a challenge to replicate a prop. It's in Trader Sam's in Disneyland that we're calling the Haunted Ship in a Bottle. Um, and we finally finished it. We've hung it up in our bar right now, and it'll be out for Halloween when the time comes. But right now we got it hanging in the bar. We're pretty excited. I think it came out really well, and in a few minutes we'll show you a clip of that and walk through and show you what it looks like hanging up there. But right now we're just going to go over just the making of the prop and what we discovered as we did this, and a few things that worked, a few things that didn't. Okay, one thing that we found that really didn't work was, or this doesn't seem to have the effect that maybe I was going for, is the sand that we put in the jar to kind of blend in with the sea in the video. Maybe it'll work better for Halloween, but hanging up as it is, you can't really see the sand, so whatever. It is what it is, and that's okay. I'd still like maybe if we could get the bottle to look a little more aged or something. So if anybody has any ideas how we could make it look more like an authentic aged, maybe rum barrel or something like that. If you have any ideas or suggestions, you can put them in the comments. That'd be great. But overall, I think it looks really well. Big thing I think was the projector. Again, if you followed the other video, you know this was a cheap projector that we picked up for only like $23. And actually, I think it works really well for this prop. I mean, I wouldn't use it to show movies or do any kind of presentation or anything, but for the purposes of this, I think it worked really well. It's small, that's why I have it up on a little ledge behind the bar, and it plays a movie off the flash drive. And one thing that I didn't really realize until I had it up there is that it plays the video. Once it starts playing, it'll automatically repeat. I don't know if that's just because there happens to only be one video on the drive, but that's a big plus for me, basically, because then you don't have to constantly go in and change the settings. But that's a big thing, I think, for something like this, because once it starts, and it's just going to keep playing over and over again. The other thing I really like about the drive is that basically you turn it on, and then one click of the OK button, it will select the movie to play, and then another will select the individual file, and that's it. And then it starts playing and repeats. So you don't really have to see anything. You can just know you turn it on, 2 clicks, and that's it. That's a big problem that I had with our other projector that we use for Halloween for our singing pumpkins. You have to turn it on, and then I have to kind of like shine it on something to see the menu, so I can go through and then move over, select video, play, go down, have it repeat. So it's a few steps there, which makes it awkward for Halloween to have to keep doing that. So this was really a pleasant surprise to find this with this projector, that it was so easy to get it to play what you wanted it to play. So I may even look to pick up another one of these projectors and try it for the pumpkins. Again, the quality maybe isn't great, but it's so cheap, and it makes it pretty easy to use for these, for props and stuff. So I think that's a big plus. Anyway, that's it for now. So let's go back and check out the video, and let's see how this looks. Also, please like, subscribe. Comment any thoughts on this, any suggestions, whether you think it looks good, anything we could do to change up, any other content you'd like to see. I'm really enjoying doing this. I'd like to keep doing this throughout the whole year and get into next Halloween to show all these props out there on Halloween and the whole process. And I think it'd be a lot of fun, and I'd really like to keep doing it, but we need views, we need subscribers. So please like, subscribe, and keep us going. Thank you. Okay, here we are. Welcome to our bar. Here's a pirate. He's been here a little too long, but unfortunately we can't seem to get him to leave. Okay, and up here we have our rum barrel with the haunted pirate ship in it, hanging. So there you can see. We'll zoom in a little on that here. You get a sense of how that looks. I think it looks pretty good. I think it came out really good. I'm pretty happy with it. And down here, just for note, here we have a couple of other props that I happen to like. I redid the eyes on these. Both of those, I think they kind of have that pirate tiki type of look, so I like having them here in the bar. Projector is actually up here, up on a ledge there in front. Like I said, it's working well. With this, you can even makes kind of like the creaking ship noises. I'm not sure if that's coming through in the video, but there it is.